Would you like to know how to make a video with pictures and music for Facebook very fast, even if you don't know anything about making a video? If your answer was yes, then stick with me for a few minutes because I'm about to show you how to do just that. Hey, I'm Claude from Internet Marketing Tools, Tips and Tricks, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to quickly make a video for advertising your products or services on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, even if you know nothing about video production or editing. To do that, you'll need to go and sign up to this site, invideo.io, and get an account for free. And here I am on the InVideo site, and you can choose from hundreds of ready-made video templates. You can get here, for example, a normal looking video like this one that you can use for YouTube or Facebook, or you can get a square type video that fits better on Facebook, or you can even get a vertical video type that suits for Instagram. So this site is great because even if you know nothing about how to create videos, here you can find hundreds upon hundreds of ready-made videos, and I'm gonna show you how you can easily modify these templates. You don't have to download any software, and you don't have to get through a steep learning curve trying to learn how to use the software to make professional videos like these. Just click on one of these templates and go with it. Here you can filter these templates by the type you want, so you can choose from a square video for Facebook and Instagram, a wide video for YouTube or Facebook, or a vertical one used best on Instagram, Facebook Stories and Instagram TV. Also, on the left side you can filter the videos by category, and as you can see there are a lot of categories here. So if you're looking for beauty and care niche, here we go. Click here and InVideo starts to show only this type of templates. And this is what they have for now, but know that they will create even more templates in the future. Let me choose a square video from among these, and I'll get this one, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is to modify this template. And by the way, if you wanna see more videos about how you can use InVideo for your business, subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is a preview of the template, and every template comes with music in the background, so you don't waste time looking for music on internet, which is a good thing, right? And as you can see, it's very good looking. Let's start with this one. And now InVideo starts preparing the video. It will take a few seconds. Here it is, and I have this short video made up of 2 slides, and if you want to change the text, just click on it. Here you see the selected text and you can change it, and I'm gonna write here October, and here you see the result. And if I click on this text, which by the way now I see that it's not a text but an image, here on the right side you can make some edits to the colors. You can also preview every slide from the play button. From here on the left side you can add other things to the slide, like more text, stickers and other things. Let me select the second slide and click on the text here to change the website's name. I'm gonna put here .net, and I'll change this image, which is a logo. So I select it, then go to media, and here you can choose from videos or images, and I will replace that logo with an image. I write here fashion, and now the engine is searching free of copyright pictures on sites like pixabay.com, so it's very useful to have it all in one place and saves a lot of time. Now for replacing the logo's image, you click the picture you chose and drag it onto the logo's image, and that's it. If you want to see this part of the video, you click the preview button. If you want to replace an image with a video instead, go to the videos tab, search the keyword you want. In this case it's still fashion, and the videos related to this start appearing. However, know that there are a few free videos and the majority are paid. So if you want to have all the videos from Shutterstock or other premium sites, you'll have to buy the premium plans from InVideo. Anyway, you can add a video to this if you drag it over the image, as I showed you before. You can also add to this template music from here, and here are a lot of music categories from which you can choose. You can also add text to this template or stickers. Here you find other sticker categories. You can add video effects, shapes, and some enhancers. Or you can upload your own images and video clips. Okay, now I won't get into all the functions and options of InVideo, but I'll make more tutorials on this. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you'll get notified. Now, suppose that the video is ready. All you have to do is press the preview and export button, and InVideo starts to produce the video. Here you can preview it, and if you're happy with it, you can press the export button. So you saw how easy it is to make videos this way. It takes very few minutes to change the text, maybe the image, 2 clicks, and it's done. Then press the export button and the software starts to render the video, and it will place it on the projects page. Here I am on my projects page, and these are the videos I've done until now. If you want to preview one, simply press the play button. If you want to share it on Facebook, Twitter or YouTube, you can do it from here. And you can also download the video on your computer from here. Now, as stated before, you can sign up for a free account, but if you want all the templates and access to all that I showed you, you'll have to get one of the following premium plans. Here I am on InVideo's pricing page, and they have 2 paid options. One is the professional plan, which costs just $4 a month, and the other is the business plan, which gives you more functionality and costs $15 a month if billed yearly. In the professional plan, you can access over 1,000 templates. You have 30 HD video exports per month, over 3 million images from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Unsplash. The video duration can be no more than 10 minutes, and you don't have the automated text-to-speech function that I'll get into it in another video, but you have this functionality here in the business plan. Also, in the professional plan, you get reseller rights, so you can sell the videos you make on freelancing sites or other places. However, you can also access these options if you pay monthly, if you switch this button here, but you'll pay a little more per month. But if you saw the power of this time saver software and the opportunity to making some quick cash and you're interested in buying it, I have a little surprise for you. You can get a 25% discount on any of these premium plans if you buy it through my affiliate link, which you can find below this video. So you can pay less if you buy it through my affiliate link. Alright, you've seen how quick and easy it is to make videos for Facebook stories, Instagram or YouTube with this online software. You could literally have hundreds of templates at your fingertips if you get one of the paid plans, and I'll show you in the next tutorials how to edit and create your own videos with InVideo. So subscribe to the channel and get notified by turning on the bell icon. This was Claude from Internet Marketing Tools, Tips and Tricks speaking to you. If you want to ask me something or comment on this video, do it below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.